Hello, in this video I will show you how to use kinematic objects. In this case I will use this rock as kinematic object, and here you can see it has this keyframe animation. And kinematic objects are objects which use their keyframe animation. They cannot be affected by any other object, but they can affect all the rest of the dynamic and the dead objects. And this is the default behavior of kinematic object. So this column is a dead object, and it can be activated. So let's start simulation. So here you can see it just uses animation, hit whatever it see on its way, and that's all. But there's another way to use them. You can activate, just like dead object, you can activate kinematic object as well. And here you can activate it here. So first you need to enable this feature, and then there's several options to activate them. And first one is by collision. It means that at the first collision it will be converted to the dynamic object. This is how it looks. So you can see now it fall to the ground finally. So when it hit the first collision, it turns into dynamic object. Pretty simple. Another way is to set exact frames. So we can set, let's say, let's try different frames. I can set 50, and at frame 50 it will just fall down. I can set it some time before. So you also pretty simple property, just set the frame, and at this frame it will be converted to the dynamic object. And when it's 0, it doesn't mean 0 frame, it's just turned off. Another way is by force. In this case you need to use some force. Here's my wind. I can put it here. In this case I need to add this wind into this supporting object list. And here this wind, it has animated strength. It's 0, and at frame 50 it turns into 5 strength. So you can see here how it blows all activated dynamic objects here. And to use it to use this force to activate kinematic objects, you just need to set here force. Let's set it 1, and here you can see it was also blown away. Okay, and the last one is by distance, and it means by distance from its original point of kinematic object. So again, I can set it to 1 meter, and it will be activated after 1 meter. Okay, delete sphere now, wind. So I can set here, let's say, distance 2 meters. Okay, let's try 3. Okay, let's try more. Okay, here you can see that 7 meters is too much. It doesn't travel so much, so it's not activated by this value. But if I will start decrease it, here you can see it start falling down. So these are these 4 ways to convert kinematic object to dynamic if you need. I guess that's all. Thank you for watching.